Hello friends, today's project is smoke alarm using UM3562. Using this simple circuit, you can secure your place from fire or dangerous smoke. The circuit senses smoke and alerts by turning on an LED and blowing an alarm like the sound of a machine gun. Let us take a look at the component list to develop this project. You can develop this project with very few components. A voltage regulator IC UM3562 to get 5-volt power supply for the circuit. UM3562 a sound generator IC to generate alarm. LM358 amp IC working as a comparator. 2N20 to 19 and BC547 NPN transistors are also used. Apart from these, a bridge rectifier, some resistors, a capacitor, a breadboard and few jumper wires are used. Let us take a look at the circuit now. The transformer, bridge rectifier and voltage regulator IC is used to give a fixed 5-volt supply to our circuit. You can use an external power supply at this place. Next is the MQ2 module that will sense smoke, amplify and provide an output signal. The output signal from the MQ2 module is given to the comparator designed by using op-amp IC. A pot meter is connected to the inverting terminal of the comparator to control the sensitivity. The comparator output goes at two places. First is LED, hence the LED glows once the smoke is detected. Next it goes to transistor T1 to generate a fixed 3.1 volt supply for the sound generation IC. The output of the sound generation IC goes to two transistors, arranged as a Darlington pair, and then to the speaker to get a stabilized sound. You can see the circuit completely made on a breadboard. This is our smoke sensor module. There are 3 pins in this sensor. They are input voltage, ground and output. This is an LM358 comparator IC. The output of this IC shown by green wire goes to the LED and sound generator IC. This is a potentiometer to control the sensitivity of the circuit. When the smoke is developed, this LED glows. This is our sound generator IC that works on 3.1 volt, hence a Zener diode is used here. There are 3 output pins of this IC, on the basis of which 3 different sounds can be produced using this IC. We have used a fixed resistor over here. Hence the intensity of the sound will be fixed. You can use a variable resistor here if you want to increase or decrease the sound level. Since we have open pin 2 of this IC, a machine gun sound is produced when smoke is detected. Let us see the demonstration now. We will first develop some smoke and expose our MQ2 sensor to that smoke. The smoke detector has detected the fumes and you can see the LED is glowing and a machine gun sound is produced by the sound generator IC. The sound is low as we have used a fixed resistor. You can adjust this sound by using a variable resistor here. Once the smoke disappears, the sound stops and the LED also turns off. You can develop this circuit on general purpose PCB also. Keep the smoke sensor exposed to the environment. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.